And hello, people of the internet and other various sources. Today, we'll be doing Halo Juan, Dos, Tres, and 4 unboxing on the Xbox Juan. Let's just show you all sides. That shows the price. It was $3.49 at Walmart. Shows everything it comes with. Console, HDMI, has Wi-Fi, 1-year warranty, 500 gigabytes. Headset comes pre-downloaded and comes with one controller. Okay, so I want to try to keep the box intact as possible so that I can, admire it. Oh, I'm horrible at this. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oh, boy. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so it's just like the PS Vita Special Edition. It's just a box inside a box. How do you open this? Okay. I gotta put down the camera first. Here is the headset, the power box, no, that's the guide. Okay, well, any of you guys out there, you can have that code. I'll make it stay still, since I got plenty of Xbox Live. Go ahead and scan that, and please subscribe if you do. Here's the controller. Let's see if it has any encryptions on it that are special. Something else in there. Oh! Swasm. Comes with batteries. Oh man, a fresh controller. And I believe these are the warranty papers. Well, I'll just keep everything. Here is the HDMI. Here is the plugger. Okay, now let's check that. There's my 360. Hey, 360, you're about to die unless I can put you under there. Okay. Here is what you've all been waiting for. The grand prize. Coming in at an impressive, like, 30 trillion pounds. Xbox One. Oh, man. Oh, it feels so perfect. Oh, this is how men... Oh, I already got fingerprints on it. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh, I never thought this day would come. Oh, okay, let's just see what we got back here. We got a whole ton of stuff. You can't really see it. Yeah, you can't really see it. What's on this side? It looks like there's a little thingy right there with arrows. That looks like it connects to the disc thingy, but I don't want to mess with that. So, yeah. You saw it in here. Master Chief unboxing. There's the complete set. And goodbye, people. Oh, and I got the Swanson shirt. Oh well. And goodbye, people of the internet. Next video will be on Xbox One.